What's the secret to a smooth and flawless complexion that lasts all day? Try Tide All Ultra Wear, the 24-hour wear liquid foundation with a high-coverage matte finish. Find your perfect match among 40 shades. Tide All Ultra Wear has a buildable finish. Apply with a brush in circular motions for medium coverage or press for high coverage. Don't hesitate to add more to zones with imperfections for a flawless finish. You are one dark circle away from perfection. Hide it all with Tide All Ultra Wear Camouflage, the ultra-pigmented and full-coverage concealer. Blend with a brush or with your fingers for a natural finish. Nothing can stop you now.